Hello and welcome to the Google Classroom and Epic Live tutorial on adding an assignment to your Epic Live Google Classroom. Today we will look at how to add an assignment to your already existing Google Classroom. So we're going to work in U.S. history today. If we come right over here to this little plus sign, you can see that there's a number of different things that you can do. Today we're going to do create an assignment. So the first thing that we want to look at is to confirm that it's the class that we want it for. If you want to do it for, if you want to assign a particular assignment to more than one classroom, you can do that. But for today, we're just going to assign this to U.S. history. So the same can be said for all of your students in the class. If you have one student who's having a particular issue with a subject or a topic, you can assign to just the single student, or you can assign it to all of your students. Here it's assigned to just one. Now we have it assigned to all of our students. We are going to put together a crash course video and worksheet over the reconstruction. So and our instructions are going to be watch the video and complete the worksheet. And just a reminder not to forget to turn it in once they've completed it. So from here, we're going to look at how many points do we want this to be. It should automatically default to 100 points. You can change those. You can make it ungraded, or you can change it to, let's say, 50 points. So we'll give them 50 points for this one. If you want a due date, you can add a due date here. Just click and choose the day. I'm going to go ahead and choose the 28th. You can also choose a time. And it will be marked as late in the student's stream after June 28th at 11:59 p.m. For topics, I actually have some topics already created. This is the post-Reconstruction and Progressive era, but you can also create a topic or choose not to have a topic as you see fit. So now that we have all of this information up, we are going to go ahead and add to our assignments. So if I come right here to my Google Classroom, I can look either in my recents because I was just playing with this, or I can look in my drive. I'm going to go ahead and double click on this and it will load. You can see right here, when you have a Google document, students can either view the file, edit the file, or make a copy for each student. If this is a worksheet that you want a student to grade, or that you want a student grade on, then you'll want to make a copy for each student. Then a fresh copy for each student with their name on it will be assigned to them, and when they turn it in, you'll be able to grade the individual assignment for each student, and that will roll over into the grade book. We're also going to need, since this is a video worksheet, we're going to need a video. So we will click right here. You can either search, or you can, if you already have the website up or the video that you want up, you can go ahead and Control C and copy that, and then type in that URL or copy that URL in. You can see Reconstruction. Is that the video I want? Yes, it is. Highlight it and add. Now we not only have the worksheet, we also have the video. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to attach a link. Normally I'm going to use IXL to show you this because I know a lot of people are using IXL. Normally I would make it a separate assignment, but for quickness of time, we're going to go ahead and just add it here. So if I want them to work on the end of Reconstruction and the rise of Jim Crow, I click right here, and here it's ready to start. So I'm going to copy this link, head back over to my assignment, click on the link button, paste it, add the link, and then you'll see it's right here. So when I go ahead and go to assign this, I have three choices. I can assign it immediately, I can schedule it for an assignment, and I just put in the day and the time that I want the assignment to pop up in the stream, or I can save it as a draft. But we're going to go ahead and assign this so we can see it, and give it just a second. If you do decide to save it as a draft, that you're working on it and then you want to come back to it later, you under saved posts, you can see I have one right here that is a draft that I've been working on. You just click on it and it'll pop right up. You can see in the stream that you have the video worksheet, the video that if you click on it will pop up and you can watch, and then also you have the IXL that if you click on that it will redirect you to IXL and the student can work on the IXL work. Hope this helps you to learn how to create an assignment in Google Classroom for your Epic Live class, and have a great day.